Hello all, we are going to see the data cleaning in the aspect of believing in the data science project. We have to do some task in the order to build that. So, what are the cleaning techniques? These are the data cleaning techniques. First one, removing duplicates in data cleaning. Second one, convert a data type and clear formatting, fix errors, handle missing values. Next, we are detailed about these techniques. The first step is remove duplicates. What is the meaning remove duplicates? To remove duplicates in data cleaning, you typically focus on the main content of your data set rather than any auxiliary information shared to or these steps remove duplicates from the main content your data. First, we discuss about the identify the key columns. This meaning of a identify the key columns to determine which columns contains the main content that you want to consider. When identify the duplicates, these are the columns the whole primary data you are considered about. And second point, sort the data. It's often helpful to sort your data based on the key columns you are identifying in the step one. Sorting makes it easier to identify the duplicates as the will appear next to each other in the sorted data set. And third one is the data validation. After removing duplicates from the main content, it is important to validate your data to ensure that cleaning process did not introduce any new issues or errors in the core data. And second one is convert to the data type. What is the meaning of converting data type? Converting data types is the critical step in the data cleaning and it is involves the changing the format or data type of specific columns or variables in your data set. Here are the main points to consider when the converting data type during the data cleaning process. In this data cleaning process are the different types of way we can see going to see next point you can discuss about identify data types. The identify data type meaning before performing any data type conversions through the understanding the data type of your columns or variables. This includes numeric types, for example integers or floats, strings, data type strings, dates, booleans, and categorical data. All these examples are identified data types. Second, data profiling. Conduct data profiling to identify any inconsistencies or issues in your data types. Look for unexpected value or missing data that may affect conversion process. This meaning of data profiling. For instance, in the profiling phase, you discover that more than 100 of your records have phone numbers that are missing found code. And these also converting data type. Third one, choose the right conversion method. Select the appropriate method to convert data types based on the nature of the data and your analysis needs common conversion method include the converting string to number handling data and time data and converting categorical data to numeric codes. And second one is handle missing one data, missing values. Convert a data type. Decide how to handle the missing values during this conversion process. You may Choose to replace missing values with a specific placeholder, drop rows with missing data, or impute missing values based on your data analysis requirements. Next, we going to see about clear formatting. What is the clear formatting? Clear formatting is an essential aspect of data cleaning, and it involves the removing inconsistencies, irregularities, or unwanted formatting from your dataset to make it more uniform and suitable for analysis. Here, the main points to consider when clearing format during the data cleaning process. Now, clear formatting, those important points we see that identify formatting issues. Begin by identifying any formatting issues with your dataset. These issues may include extra white spaces, inconsistent capitalization, special characters, or formatting conventions that are not uniform. Data cleaning process. The process of fixing or removing incorrect, corrupted, incorrectly formatted duplicates or incomplete data within these issues. When combining the multiple data sources, there are many opportunities with data to be duplicated for disabled. And second one is the standard capsulation. Ensure consist of a capsulation throughout the dataset. You may choose convert all text to uppercase, lowercase, or title case, depending on your preference and specific analysis requirements. This is a main thing important definition. Data cleaning identifies the incorrect data, modifies according to requirements. Data is standard capsulations. Data that is cleaned will then need to be transformed into a standard format so that it can be used easily in the future. And next going to in this the data form handle special characters. Address any special character or symbol that are not relevant to your analysis. You can choose to remove them, replace them with appropriate values, or encode them standardized way. This handles special characters or strip the text field of all the expected characters like letters, numbers, white spaces, and functions until only the unexpected special characters are left. And sometimes the special characters should be removed, sometimes they should be replaced. Example, by a white space characters, and remove loading tra trailing white spaces. And second one, remove leading and trailing white spaces. Eliminate the leading at the beginning and trailing at the end. White spaces in the text data. Extra spaces can lead to discrepancies and hinder matching or filtering operations. And you can select field you want to trim and use the formulas, use the formula, the current field to remove the leading trailing white spaces or rejects replace current field. /s to replace all white spaces in our header names. And next one is fix errors. What is the fix errors? Fix errors is the vital part of the data cleaning process as that involves identifying and correcting inaccuracies, inconsistencies, or ano- anomalies on your dataset. Here, the main points concern when fixing errors during the data cleaning. These are the definition of the fixed errors and incorrect data and inconsistent data entry. The error identification, incomplete records, incorrect values, inconsistent values, and duplicate records. And second one is the data validations. The data validation is validation where data against predefined rules or constraints to the identify records or values that do not conform the expected pattern. Common validation checks include the range validation, format validation, and integrity constraints. Example for data validations deal with the detection and removal of incorrect records from the data. The process of data validation and cleaning cleaning ensures that inconsistent data identified well before the data used in the analytical process. And next we discuss about the fixers, the one of the point of handling missing data. Address missing data by deciding whether to remove records with the missing values to the impute missing values with the record measurements. Estimate the percentage missing values as a separate category. Depending on the nature of the data and the impact of missingness on your analysis. And second point is outlier detection and treatment. Identify the handle outliers by defining the criteria or statistical methods to detect the values that deviate significantly from this norm. Decide whether to remove outlier, transform them, or treat them specially in your analysis. About outlier detection, few steps are sort the dataset in ascending order and calculate the first and third quantifiers Q1 and Q3. Compute QR and then Q3 minus Q1. Compute the lower bound. Per bound Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR. And these are the steps of a outlier detection and treatment. Next we can discuss the finally point handle missing values. What is handle missing values? Handle missing values is the crucial aspect of data cleaning as it ensures that your data set is prepared for analysis or modeling without introducing bias or errors due to incomplete data. Here are the main points considered when handling missing values during the data cleaning process. The few steps in handle missing values. Identify missing values. Begin by identifying the missing values in your dataset. Common representation of a missing values include NaN, not it's a full form of NaN, not a number. Null Na or empty cells. These are identify missing values of a common representations. And second point is understanding the nature of missingness. Nature of missingness. What is the difference? What is the definition? Differentiates between missing values occur completely random missing values due to the specific patterns or missing values. The meaning of examples. Missing values. Survey questions indicates this. Missing value in a survey questions may indicate non-response. Nature missing values analysis helps address several concepts caused by incomplete data. Cases with missing values systematically different from the cases without missing values. Result can be misleading. And that's enough in this video. Thank you all.